I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming voice chat eligibility and turning voice chat on in Roblox settings. Do that now. Once done, verify your account age and phone or ID verification so voice chat stays active. Next, install or open a lightweight TTS app, Windows Narrator, Mac OS VoiceOver, or a third-party TTS that can output to a virtual audio device. Make sure the TTS output routes through a virtual microphone so Roblox can pick it up. That is the crucial link to make it speak. Now route the TTS output into Roblox by selecting a virtual audio cable or loopback device. Open your TTS app and choose the virtual output, then open Roblox settings and pick that same device as your voice chat input. Once selected, run a 10 to 15 second TTS sample while in a private channel to check clarity, latency, and volume. If it's quiet, raise the TTS app or virtual cable level. If it clips, lower gain. Make sure push-to-talk or voice activation modes are set to accept the virtual mic. Finish by joining a small test session and speaking via the TTS to confirm others hear you clearly. Ask for feedback on volume and timing. If you notice dropout or distortion, pause and adjust your OS and app levels, and disable exclusive microphone access in sound settings so multiple apps can share the device. If problems persist, restart Roblox and the TTS app, reassign the virtual audio device, and recheck voice chat permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: re-verify account verification status and microphone permissions if voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.